Hey everybody, it's Phoebe again. We're pretty much in peak winter in Ohio and we're getting like 8 to 10, I think maybe 10 to 12 inches of snow in a matter of a week. That usually never happens. So I'm going to take you outside today on the chores and show you around the property a little bit while it's snowing. In the dead of the snow, and it is about 4:30, and I'm going to show you what everything looks like. The snow is in my eyes. Hard to record. My camera is getting very wet. Well, it's being ridiculous. Yeah, I wouldn't mind just using the UTV because it's just thick snow.
is filthy outside. Like, we haven't had a winter like this in Northwest Ohio, like probably maybe 7 years ago, maybe more. Seriously, it's absolutely disgusting outside. Like, I feel terrible for my animals. If I could bring my animals inside, I would. They could all just live in here with us. But so far it looks like they're doing good. I think everybody just needs a good house cleaning. Everybody needs new straw bales and everything, and I have a couple chickens that are eating my eggs. I gotta figure out who's eating eggs and get that dealt with. We ended up getting 50 chickens, 35 chickens last summer. And then before winter really started settling in, we have 10 ducks now, and then we got 5 more hens. And then a friend of ours, thank you Amanda, gave us graciously 14 more hens as well as another rooster. So I have 8 roosters and 50 hens. That's a lot. So I'm trying to figure out who's eating my eggs and what's going on, if they're deficient in something. I was doing a general health check over the chickens yesterday, and they all looked really well. There was one hen that was getting picked on, and she was just scrunched over, not looking so well. So I took her in. She's in the garage right now, getting fed, watered. She's looking almost 100% better. So trying to figure out where to put her, kind of nursing her back to health, and then I might put her in the smaller coop that we have in the garden area with the pigs. Because we have 3 coops, one in the garden area with the pigs, and that's where we kind of recuperate some of our sicker chickens, because my roosters are actually very tender towards my hens in that pasture and in that coop. And then in Mateo's coop, which is where all the ducks are, that is another rehab for bullied chickens. And then my big coop obviously is just general population. I just realized I was like way overexposed. We're just really keeping an eye on our hens. Our pigs are doing great. They look like they're doing fine. Their hoofs look great. They're not looking red or pussy or swollen or anything. And they're not snotting everywhere. Like, they're not really coughing or anything. So their health looks like they're doing good. I'm just trying to keep everybody as healthy as I can, because this is our first year, our first actually really harsh winter. So if we can keep them alive this year, we can keep them alive any year. And I want to keep them alive in a healthy way and not just like bare minimum necessities. Like, no, we gotta stay on top of this stuff. I think next winter, we're really gonna look into doing a rainwater system. So in the spring, I'm really gonna start implementing that and probably making up different diagrams and stuff to pull out the rainwater as much as we can, and even use like snow. I really want to start utilizing the spring rainfall that we get, because we get a lot of rain in the springtime and then in the beginning of summer as well. So we're going to utilize that as much as we can. So in the winter months, we can use that rainwater and not have to lug like 25 gallons of water from our house out to the animals this coming winter. So that'll be nice. So we have a lot of stuff that we have to do for next winter that we're experiencing right now. I'm excited that we are learning this stuff, and we're learning it now instead of down the road it becoming a travesty. So this winter has been actually really great for our homestead. I'm really excited for it. I'm happy that we're getting it because we're learning so much. And I appreciate everything that the Lord has done for us and the opportunities that He's given with learning about our new animals and thriving on that. Thank you for joining me today on this vlog. I hope you enjoyed our winter in Northwest Ohio, because it's nasty. Have a good one, you guys. I'll see you on the next vlog. Bye.